You are good to go.
It is now almost 5 a.m. Saturday, February 8th, 2003. In yesterday's snowstorm, there was 7 full inches of snow. And at this late hour, I will actually take a tour finally. Since I was so tired and busy, I couldn't do it before. The advantage of this tour is that it shows everything in its final and neat plowed state. Now, let's try it with the light, yeah. As the roads have been fully plowed and our property has been fully shoveled. And damn is it cold. Now normally I would do a shot from the middle of the front yard. But as can be seen, the front yard, despite this having been almost a full day, has been completely undisturbed by footprints of any human and hardly any animals. And that's mainly because Chris wasn't home most of the day, and of course he's too old to play in the snow, and more importantly, Michael was sick today. And even the backyard has been totally untouched except for the shoveling of the walks, which is a very interesting situation. Now, in keeping with that, I don't intend to do any walking in the fresh, untouched snow myself. So I will not be going to the far backyard, and I will not be going to the front yard, and I will not be taking any intrusive pictures of my garden, just the ones I can get from the path, so as to preserve this untouched snow for as long as possible. One thing, here's our measurement. And this shows 7 inches, a little bit less, but there was some settling after the snow stopped falling, so this really is pure 7 inches. Garden from the southeast side, garden from the southwest side. To supplement the usual suite of pictures, I think I'm going to do a little bit of a walk through the paths that were shoveled. It can be noted that a light dusting of snow did fall this evening, long after I shoveled, with a little snow squall. So that is why everything appears to have an additional dusting of snow, because it does. just past that little extra path that the Laboos shoveled towards our yard, and then we got stuck finishing. Why they only did half of it, I mean, they might as well have made it all the way to our driveway, but they only went as far as the edge of their yard, and then I guess assumed that we would finish it, which is a very strange way to do anything, but it's the Laboos, especially since there's no real path there. And that's that.